Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sounds and vibration. After scrolling down a little, you can find the whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls. This is the very first option, which, as you can see, is divided between two different SIM cards, because obviously we've got two different SIM card slots. Under it, we've got the messaging tone, so here we've got the same situation as in a phone ringtone, and for the notification sound. So let me show you how to change the ringtone using the phone ringtone. For example, let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we can choose the SIM card for which we want to change the ringtone. Let me leave the first one, and here we've got the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. Here we can also decide if we want to feel the vibration whilst incoming calls. Here we've got also the music on device, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files from which we will be able to pick the sound and set it as a ringtone. The same situation with video ringtones. But let me choose something from the sounds which are defaultly installed, and if you'd like to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And oh my god, let me volume it down a little bit. So this is how to listen how the particular ringtone sounds. What's more, here you've got the known option, and after choosing it, obviously your device won't notify you about any incoming calls, so I'm not really sure if it is the best option. But let me focus. So if you'd like to change the ringtone, all you have to do is simply tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and get it back. And as you can see, it will be notified right here that from now on, for the first SIM card, we've just changed the ringtone, and your device will use it in order to notify you about incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.